Good day everybody. On this video we're going to be learning on how to lock our profits. Okay, what do I mean by locking the profit is probably you are making a profit and you now say, okay, this market is going to still go foul, it's still going to give me some profit, but this profit I've made, I want to lock it, so in case it still want to go against me, it will just cut the trade. This is not stop loss, it's same thing as stop loss, but it will not stop you at loss, it will stop you at profit. Okay, so it will stop you at profit at a particular point. So we are going to be doing the particle with this now. Probably if you're making profit now, let me say $1 and the thing is going, you can say, okay, let me lock that $1. If the thing goes to $2, you will shift it again to $2. You'll be locking it, you'll be locking it, so you lock like $20. You lock like $20. That is why you can place a trade and sleep and go to bed and leave the trade. All you just need to do is lock the profit you have made already and allow the trade to run. There are some trades that will give you much profit, but you are not sure, or probably you don't want to be looking at your screen, or but you want to secure the profit you have made and you don't want to cut the trade. So let's do the practical. Now let me go to V75, volatility 75. Let me use this. Let me see what V75 is doing. Okay, let me see V75. Let me sell V75 for example. Okay, now we are on 18 cents, 27 cents. Now I can lock this profit. Look at 54 cents. How do I lock this profit? Now normally this is a sell market. I sold the market, right? Now my stop loss is supposed to be what? Above the current market price. My stop loss is supposed to be above. Are you seeing it? But now I'll carry the stop loss below. I'll carry the stop loss below the current market price. So how do I do that? I'll tap on my screen. I'll click on this shape here to get a point. I'll click on horizontal. This is how I put my stop loss because the numbers are much, so I just copy this. I'll click on it, then I'll put it close to where I want to lock the profit. Probably I want to lock close to my entry point. Oh, it is already close to our entry point, but let me just lock it like that. I'll just put it there, then I'll click on it. I'll tap and click on the line, the horizontal line. Then once I click and hold it, I'll click on this pen here. Then I'll click on this point and hold, and I'll click on copy. Once I click on copy, I'll click on done at the top of my screen, which is this. Then now okay, now the market is coming down. Let's wait for the market to come down a little. Okay, I want to lock, sorry. Now what I want to do is that let me lock it from here. Okay, I'll just quickly do the same thing again. Click copy, click done. Then I'll now go to this part here, click on it. I'll slide out, then I'll click on this to modify. Then I will now put it here, stop loss, because we want to stop loss, but now the thing will stop us in profit. So I'll click modify. Yeah, done. Now modify. Look at it. Are you seeing it? Look at my entry point. Let me remove that red line. Let me delete it. Are you seeing it? My stop loss now is below my entry point. It's not above. So anything now, if this market should start going against me, for example, let's look at it now. Let me go to 1 minute so you see it clearly. Okay, look at it. Are you seeing it? Are you seeing my XL? Look at it here. Look at my sell. I sold at this point and I took my stop loss below it. Now from here to this point here, these 2 points here, between this point here, the profit that I made between this point here is saved already. All I just need to do, okay, look at it, the market has cut already by itself. It has closed by itself. Now did it close me on loss? Let's check. It closed me on what? Loss. It assumed that it closed me on loss, but normally it closed me on profit of 16 cents. So I've locked some part of the profit. Instead of giving me loss, it will give me some profit is rather than cut the market for me. So that is how you lock your profits. Rather, you do the same thing on buy too. You know, when you click on a buy market, your stop loss should be what? Below your entry point. But now you put your stop loss above. But you must make sure that you have started making profit already. So you lock some profits. Then the more the thing is going to your favor, you remove that one, you modify again and lock it more again. You know, that is how you'll be locking your profits. Lock. So you can allow your trade to run for hours. Okay, look at this trade now. Let's assume that we enter the trade somewhere here at this top here, and the trade run to this point. Now I might say, okay, let me lock here from here to here. I want to lock from this point to this point here, this point to this point here. I want to lock here. Then probably the trade now started coming down. I'll decide to remove that lock here. I'll remove it, I'll delete it, and I'll place a stop loss here. So I'll lock from here to here. What I mean by I'll start here, then once it's going down, I'll lock from here to here. Then if it goes to my favor again, I'll delete this one here, then I'll lock from here to here again. You know, I'll be making profit like that. So it will save your profit that you have already been making. So it's as simple as that. That is how to lock your profits. So thank you very much for watching this video.